In this guide, we'll explore some advanced approaches to resolving the issue of being unable to send friend requests on Roblox. Firstly, it's advisable to check the status of Roblox services by visiting the Roblox status page. Look out for any ongoing issues with friend request functionality. If there are, it's likely that sending friend requests may be temporarily unavailable. Next, review your account settings for any restrictions. Log into your Roblox account and inspect for any inadvertently enabled privacy settings that may be preventing you from sending friend requests. In some rare cases, Roblox might have temporarily blocked your account from sending friend requests due to suspicious activity. If this is the case, wait for 24 to 48 hours before attempting to send requests again. Check your network connectivity as well. An unstable internet connection can sometimes cause errors. Try restarting your router or modem, or switch to a different network if possible to see if this resolves the issue. If none of the above solutions work, consider reporting the issue directly to Roblox. Search for Roblox support or visit their help page to find the appropriate channel for bug reporting. If applicable, you can also try alternative methods. If you know the username of the user you want to add, try searching for them directly and sending a friend request from their profile page. Some games also allow adding friends directly within the game interface. It's important to note that using third-party tools or exploits to bypass Roblox's friend request system is not recommended. These methods can violate Roblox's terms of service and may result in account bans. By following these steps, you can hopefully resolve the issue and start sending friend requests on Roblox again. Remember, if the problem persists, reporting the bug to Roblox can help them identify and fix the underlying cause.